The plastic surgeon swore that he did the eyelid surgery correctly, but there was a problem. The patient couldn't close her eyes after the surgery. You want to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. She went in to have what's known as blepharoplasty, and that's to have eyelid surgery. And during the course of the surgery, this plastic surgeon cut out too much. He took too much muscle, he took too much tissue. And as a result of that, the patient's eyelids were never able to close after the surgery. And you know, when she went back for follow-up, she kept complaining about the fact that her eyes were getting dry, and instead the doctor did two things. He gave her some medication to these artificial tears to try and make sure that she didn't get a dry eye, and told her, listen, this will work, just massage your eyelids, everything will be fine, it'll loosen up the skin tissue, and you'll be fine. Well, week after week, she kept coming back, and she wasn't fine, and it didn't get better. And it got so bad that she wound up having to wear sunglasses into her office to go to work because she couldn't bear the fact that she couldn't close her eyes all the way. When she would sleep, her eyes would close 3/4 of the way. It was causing tremendous irritation and dry eye. Every single plastic surgeon she went to afterwards confirmed the fact that her original plastic surgeon took out too much tissue, took out too much muscle. And that was the exact reason why the eyelids would not close, and no amount of massaging it was ever going to change that fact. When I questioned the doctor during his pre-trial testimony, known as a deposition, I asked him specific questions about his procedure, and he swore left and right that what he did was fully appropriate, and he did not, under any circumstance, remove too much tissue or muscle. The sad fact was, he did, and everybody who saw her confirmed that fact. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into what was clearly a violation from the basic standards of medical care. And we were able to show that as we went through the course of the litigation. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have concerns or questions about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.